What's up, y'all? It's your boy RP-150.4AB, man, and you tune in for another one. Today video, we got another box to open up. This one is again from Scar Audio. Let's get into it.
I be looking good. I be gripping brain, nigga. I be gripping wood. Okay. Hey, my seven. I'm gripping in my seven. Okay. I'm flossing in my seven. I'm riding in my.
Alright, so like I said, we got another Scar box here. I almost went down the hole. I don't really have like the best way to try to set this up, so we're gonna open it on the tire. You know what I'm saying? Real OG gutter. So you might be like, well, LS, I thought you said you had enough amps. Well, yes and no. The current amplifier that we had were all pretty much subwoofer amplifiers, right? So what I wanted to do with this one is get a amplifier that was for the highs. So we got 1,000 watt RMS RP-150.4AB from Scar Audio. Now this wasn't necessarily the one that was recommended to me. However, this is one that I decided to get. The Scar amplifiers are not like very expensive at all. I haven't heard anything bad about the quality. So that's where we're at with that. So I'm just gonna razor blade that up out of there. Very similar box design to the last one. As you can see there. As you can tell though, these amps are not small. These amps are not small at all. See where I put my razor blade at. So I was gonna shoot this video in the house, but it's fans blowing everywhere and the side noise would have been too much, so I decided to bring it on out here. Now, same with the other one. It is not the full length of the box, but still, that's not necessarily small. Not necessarily small at all. There are 4 dedicated channels. Then you got your owner's manual here. Comes with both hex keys that you need, a bass knob, so yeah, once again, this has a bass control knob, even with the 4-channel amp. So, interesting indeed. So the specs of this amp, just off the top, is RP-150 is 150 watts times 4, RMS at 4 ohms, 250 times 4 at 2 ohms, and 4 ohm mono is 500 watts times 2. So, and that's RMS, all RMS numbers, not max. So, I don't know, like, I guess I guess if you were gonna push, I guess you could use this amp to push like those Pioneer subs, but any other sub it might not be enough. So yeah, bass knob. Like I said, we got it for the highs, and that's what we're gonna use it for. So put all that in the box so we get ready to play. So all together, man, like we probably right at like right at 350 for this amp, and then the other amp that we purchased. Like I said, I mean for 1,000 watts on your highs and 2,000 watts RMS in your trunk on your subs, honestly, I don't think that's a bad deal, man. For the budget guy, you know what I'm saying? So in the end, we'll be able to tell what exactly we're gonna roll with. However, comma, this right here, right now, is gonna have to work. So, which I don't doubt that it will. I don't doubt it at all. So we're gonna see, y'all. We're gonna see. So appreciate y'all tapping in, man. Make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you hit that comment button and get down in the comments. Let me know what you think about the Scar RP-150.4AB. What's up, guys? It's your boy RP-150.4AB. And if you're watching this video, the 10,000 subscriber giveaway is still going on. Alright, so what we got here is GT45 Turbo. This one is for one lucky winner. All you gotta do to comment, or all you gotta do to enter the win is comment on the video for the 10,000 subscriber giveaway right here on RP-150.4AB on YouTube, and you can have a chance to win. So don't wait. Make sure comment so you got a chance to win this turbo charger right here, or $200. Your choice. $200 or turbo charger. Comment to enter the win. Drawing will happen at 10,000 subscribers. Winners must be in the continental United States of America. I'm gone. So yeah, take that chance, comment on the video, subscribe to the channel, and take your chance to win this GT45 Turbo or $200 today. Tell them RP-150.4AB sent you. Gone.